You can open an existing PowerPoint presentation by clicking on the File tab, selecting Open, navigate to the location where that presentation has been saved, select it, and then either click Open or simply double-click on the name of the file. You can move within a PowerPoint presentation using the scroll bars. In normal view, the scroll bars are displayed to the right of the presentation outline, to the right of the slide pane, and where applicable to the right of the notes pane. You can drag the elevator within the scroll bar to move from slide to slide. Also within the scroll bar are arrows that will move you up or down through the slides. In the slide pane scroll bar, there's also a previous slide and a next slide button. You can click these buttons to move from slide to slide. You can display and view any presentation created in PowerPoint as a slideshow. When you run a slideshow, the slides are automatically sized to fill the screen, and the tools and menu bar are hidden. In order to show your presentation as a slideshow, you can click on the Slideshow tab on the top ribbon, or down in the status bar, you can click on the Slideshow shortcut. You can start your slideshow from the beginning or from the current slide. Once you have started your slideshow, you can advance to the next screen by clicking the left mouse button. Moving the mouse while running a slideshow brings up a pointer. It also allows you to access some buttons on the bottom left. These buttons allow you to go to the previous slide, advance to the next slide, and also provide you access to a shortcut menu. The shortcut menu allows you those same options of moving to the next or previous slides, and also allows you to go directly to a specific PowerPoint slide. You can access this same shortcut menu by right-clicking on the mouse while in the slideshow. In order to complete or end your show, you can click the End Show option, or you can hit the Escape button, and that will take you out of your show. When you're working in PowerPoint, you can switch between 7 different views of your presentation. Each view has different tools or features, and we'll take a look at each of these shortly. The default view shown here is called Normal View. It has 3 panes that allow you to simultaneously view the outline, the slides, and any notes you may have with your presentation. Whenever you're in a view and it has more than one pane, you can drag the border to resize the panes. To switch between the view types, along the top ribbon is the tab View, and then on the left you have access to the 4 different presentation views and the 3 different master views. Another way to access the 4 most common views is on the bottom on the status bar, where there's a shortcut to the 4 most common views. Let's take a look at the 7 views and their features or tools. Normal View is the main editing view to create and design a presentation. Within the view pane on the left, you can select the Slides tab, which lets you change the slide that shows in the larger slide pane on the right. Or you can select the Outline tab. This shows the text that appears on each of the slides. If you want to type or edit text, you can do it in the slide pane on the right, or you can also do it directly in the Outline tab on the left. You can change layout, add graphics, and draw shapes in each slide using the pane on the right. The next view is the Slide Sorter. Here you see miniature pictures of all the slides. You can rearrange the slides, add transitions, or set the timing for your presentation. The Notes page view shows the slide with the notes box below. Here's where you can type speaker notes, add graphics, or draw shapes within this box. The Reading view displays the slides one at a time as an electronic show on your computer. Here's where you can view the results of transitions, effects, and timing you may have added to your presentation. To exit the Reading view, hit the Escape button or access one of the shortcuts on the bottom right. The next set of views are called Master Views. These show the templates for components of your presentation. Slide Master. These are the master slides. Edit the design and layout of your slide templates here. The next master view is the Handout Master. With the option for printed handouts of your presentation, here's where you can edit the design and layout of your handouts. And the third master view is Notes Master. Here's where you can edit layouts of the Notes page view, including printed presentation notes. When you're in these views, you can change the scale of this large pane here by accessing this bottom section on the right. You can drag the zoom slider to make it appear larger, or you can click here where you see the percentage and select one of the predetermined or preset numbers, or you can enter your own number, or by selecting fit, it will view in the best fit.